Welcome to One Minute Crypto. I'm your host, Kronos. Today, part 6 of our series on COVID-19. We're wrapping it up today with the big question: what is coming in the future? We've already seen huge monetary and fiscal policy action, but because of the deflationary pressures we talked about in the other episodes, it's hard to tell what the net effect will be. But you might not know that the Federal Reserve is actually trying to do two things at once. It has what's called a dual mandate from Congress. First, it wants to maintain price stability, which it defines as an inflation target of 2% per year over the long run. At the same time, it wants to promote maximum sustainable employment in the economy. Over the past decade, it has had fantastic results. The unemployment rate has fallen to historic lows and inflation has stayed very moderate. But as we've seen in this series, the huge inflationary and deflationary pressures hitting the markets right now will be difficult to balance, and the employment data is looking brutal. Here are the weekly jobless claims in the United States since 1967. We just hit a new record, 4 times the previous record, with over 3 million Americans filing for unemployment at once thanks to COVID-19. So money printing is probably the right move for now. But what happens if the Fed has to choose which of its two mandates are more important, low unemployment or low inflation? When it comes down to it, I think they're going to prioritize unemployment, and inflation might start pushing up prices. Time will tell. Well, that just about wraps it up. I hope you've enjoyed the series. If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. It might even go viral. I'm Kronos. Thanks for watching.